Dynamics of rigid body topics 2, erratics, motion, rectangular, kinematics, graph based on solution. So, what is erratic motion? Erratic motion is into Erratic motion means the motion of irregular on non-uniform. So, velocity does not change uniform and acceleration may vary unpredictable and understand the constant acceleration equation cannot be directly used. So formula is V equals U plus AT or and rectangular kinematics. What is rectangular kinematics? It is the study of motion along a straight line without considering and forces causing the motion. It focus on displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time. Three types of graph. Under the erratic motion, position versus time or graph ST graph. And number 2, velocity versus time graph BT or graph minus T graph. So acceleration versus time A minus acceleration minus T graph. So position to velocity to acceleration. So acceleration integrate by velocity and velocity integrate by position. So ST graph or slope minus T graph. So number 1 kay slope equals velocity or V equals dx over dt. So a curved line means velocity is changed. So ang pa-curve daw nga line kay means ana velocity, and a straight line means constant velocity. So ang means ana pa straight nga line constant daw siya. So direta sa ikaduha ang velocity minus time or V minus T graph, and this is the most important of erratic motion. Mao ni ang pinaka-importante sa erratic motion, ang velocity minus time graph. So slope equals acceleration, so or A equals dv over dt, and area under the curves equals displacement or displacement equals integral of b dt. So if the graph is irregular and the break into geometric shape, so rectangular, triangular, or trapezoid. So ang last kay calculate the area of space by space. So kinahanglan nimo i-calculate ang kada space niya nga makuha. So ang acceleration minus time or AT ay A minus T graph, area under the curve equals change is velocity. So diri na to makuha si nag-iingon diri nga given the AT is curved to change into velocity. So during a time period, area is under the AT is curved, so we can construct A of V B minus T graph from the graph if you know the initial velocity of the particles. So atong formula na kay delta V equals integral of A dt. So pwede na to siya gamiton, direto gamiton si delta V equals A dt, integral of A dt. And next, diretong natay sample problem gikan sa problem set 2 or drill 1 ay drill 2. So ang question kay, if you have a v min velocity ay v or v minus s graph from the motorcycle, can we determine the acceleration position s equals 150 feet? How? So pila daw pangitaon na nato ang acceleration. So ang giingon nga answer diri kay 8 feet, acceleration equals 8 feet over s ay second squared. Natay kuan diri nga example sa motor. Nara tong solution. So if you have a AV minus S graph, so from the motorcycle, can we determine the acceleration at position of 150 feet? So narang solution ko na to greater than na to si ls, greater than 200, so b equals 0.2 seconds plus 10. So dire na to i-calculate, hatag na to si ang s na to kay 150, so v equals 0.2 times 150 plus 10. So kay sa 10 man siya nagsugod og padagan, so ang makuha na to nga velocity kay 40 seconds, 40 feet seconds. So atong kuang sa acceleration nga formula kay dv over dt equals dv over ds and minus ds over dt. So atong kuan na equals 0.2, so acceleration equals b times dv over ds. So atong velocity is 40 and atong dv over ds is 0.2. So i-calculate nato makuha si 8 feet second squared. So mao na tong answer sa example number 1. Thank you.